If you are anything like me, you get into bed, pull the heavy blankets up, but your feet still feel like solid blocks of ice. Or maybe you get that awful tingling, pins and needles sensation in the middle of the night. It makes your feet so numb, you are actually afraid of tripping if you just want to get up and use the bathroom. You probably clicked the thumbnail of this video because it asked if you have cold, numb feet. You also saw that bright red glass. I will shoot straight with you. That is pure pomegranate juice. It is an incredible way to naturally improve blood flow, and it sits at the #1 spot on the list of beverages we're going over today. My goal is simple. I want to show you how to drink these 4 specific things to help get that warm blood flowing down to your toes. I am also going to warn you about a very common morning bathroom habit that completely ruins the benefits of these drinks. It is a mistake I actually used to make myself. But before we just start drinking juice, we need to talk about the cause. Let's look at the mechanical reason why your feet are freezing in the first place. As we get older, specifically after we cross into our 60s, our bodies undergo a major internal shift. There is a specific molecule in your body called nitric oxide. You can't see it, but it controls almost everything regarding your circulation. Think of nitric oxide like a traffic cop standing in the middle of a massive, multi-lane highway. That highway represents your blood vessels. As long as a traffic cop is there doing his job, the lanes stay wide open. The traffic, which is your warm, oxygen-rich blood, flows quickly and smoothly all the way from your heart down into your feet. But here is the hard truth of aging. By the time we hit our 60s, our body's natural ability to produce that nitric oxide drops by almost 70%. The traffic cop essentially goes off duty. Without that signal to stay wide open, your broad highways shrink down into narrow, cramped back alleys. The heavy, warm blood carrying oxygen simply cannot squeeze through those tight spaces to reach the furthest points of your body. Your feet literally get starved of warmth and nutrients. That starvation is what causes your toes to feel like ice cubes, and it is what makes the nerves in your feet misfire, creating that awful, numb, tingling sensation. The solution isn't just to put on another pair of thick wool socks. We have to reopen the highway. We need to use specific, nutrient-dense drinks to give our bodies the exact raw materials they need to start producing nitric oxide again. Let's get right into the list of how to do that, starting at number 4. Coming in at number 4 is hibiscus tea. When you ask people about improving blood flow, almost everyone immediately tells you to drink green tea. Green tea is fine, but its effects are very slow. Hibiscus is the secret weapon most folks completely ignore. Here is the science behind it. Hibiscus is packed with a compound called anthocyanin. Remember that highway we just talked about? Think of anthocyanin as a dedicated maintenance crew for the physical pavement of that road, what doctors call the endothelium, or the inner lining of your blood vessels. It actively helps soothe and support those inner walls, smoothing them out so your warm blood can slide right down to your feet without any friction or resistance. But here is the catch. Hibiscus is naturally very tart. It has a strong, sour kick. Whatever you do, do not dump a spoonful of white refined sugar into your mug to make it taste better. Sugar causes massive internal inflammation, which will instantly narrow your blood vessels right back down. If you need to sweeten it, use a natural leaf extract like stevia. Number 3 on our list is pure celery juice. I know exactly what you are thinking. It looks bland, and it is usually labeled as boring diet food. Believe me, I used to hate the taste of it too, But after feeling the warmth in my feet, I stopped caring about the flavor. Do not let the pale green color fool you. Celery is actually a natural nitrate bomb. Here is how the biology works. When you drink celery juice, your body uses the good bacteria, sitting right on your tongue, to convert the natural nitrates in the juice directly into nitric oxide. It is an immediate, powerful chemical reaction that forces those cramped back alleys to throw their doors wide open, pushing fresh blood down to your cold toes. But you have to follow the rules on this one. You cannot mix it with apples or carrots just to make it taste sweeter. You need the pure, unadulterated celery juice to get the maximum nitrate concentration. And to get the absolute best results, drink a small glass of it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Coming in at number 2. Now, if you read any health magazines, you probably think beetroot is the absolute king of nitrates. But here is the twist. Ounce for ounce, arugula actually beats it. It is the undisputed champion. When you blend up a handful of fresh arugula, you are pumping a massive dose of raw nitrates directly into your bloodstream. For a lot of folks, this is the exact drink where they finally start feeling real warmth, returning to their freezing toes after just a few days of drinking it. But I will be honest with you, arugula has a very strong, peppery, bitter bite to it. You probably won't want to drink it plain. The pro tip here is to throw a handful of dark blueberries and a splash of unsweetened almond milk into the blender with the arugula. The blueberries mask that bitter taste perfectly, but you still get 100% of that vessel opening power. Finally, we reach the number 1 spot. This is the bright red drink you saw right on the thumbnail of this video. Pure pomegranate juice. And the reason it sits at the absolute top of the list is based on some incredible science. Here is the problem with nitric oxide. It is extremely fragile. Once your body makes it, free radicals inside your blood can easily break it down and destroy it. Celery and arugula are great for creating nitric oxide, but pomegranate does something even better. Pomegranate is packed with some of the most powerful antioxidants in the world. Think of these antioxidants as an elite squad of bodyguards. They surround and protect the nitric oxide, keeping it alive and keeping those highways in your legs wide open for a much longer period of time. But you have to be incredibly careful at the grocery store. 90% of the commercial pomegranate juices sitting on the shelf are basically just red sugar water. They can pack up to 30 grams of added sugar into a single bottle, which will inflame your system and completely ruin your circulation. You must read the label and look for the exact words, 100% pure pomegranate juice, no added sugar. Better yet, buy the actual fruit and press it yourself. Now, I promised you at the beginning of this video that I would reveal a common morning bathroom habit that completely destroys the benefits of these drinks. It is a mistake I used to make myself, using antibacterial mouthwash right after breakfast. If you drink your celery juice or your arugula smoothie, and then go straight to the bathroom to rinse with an antibacterial mouthwash, you are literally throwing your money and your effort down the drain. Remember how we talked about the good bacteria on your tongue converting those nitrates into nitric oxide? Well, commercial mouthwash is designed to kill all bacteria in your mouth, including the good guys. If you wipe out that bacteria, the conversion never happens, the nitric oxide is never made, and your blood vessels stay narrow. If you are going to drink these, wait at least 2 hours before using any mouthwash. And just a quick common sense check before you start juicing. These 4 drinks are incredibly effective at opening up your blood vessels. But when your blood vessels open wide, your blood pressure can potentially ease down. If your doctor currently has you on prescription blood pressure medications, just run this by them first before drinking large amounts of pomegranate or celery juice. You just want to make sure your numbers don't drop too low. Simple as that. Having freezing, numb feet does not have to be a normal part of getting older. By protecting your internal highways with pomegranate and pumping them full of raw nitrates from celery and arugula, you are giving your body the exact raw materials it needs to naturally bring the heat back down to your toes. But poor blood flow doesn't just cause cold feet. It is also the number one reason you get those agonizing calf cramps in the middle of the night. If you are constantly getting woken up by night leg cramps, you need to click the video on your screen right now. In it, I show you 4 simple things to add to your morning coffee that will help calm those nerves so you can finally sleep through the entire night pain-free. Click that video right now. Get some warmth back in those feet, and I will see you over there.